Hello, third grade. I am so excited about the journey you are about to begin today. I am sending you on a kind of quest. Kind of like when Dumbledore sent Harry Potter off to learn what he needed to learn. I am sending you off today to discover what you need to discover. Don't worry though. Kind of like Chiron making sure Percy Jackson had Riptide, I am here to make sure that you have the tools that you need for your adventure. Your quest begins with a question. What do you have to know to be a good researcher? I'm going to tell you right now, finding the answer or answers to this question will be hard. But I have confidence that just like Harry and Percy, when you've met your goal, you will know that you are a hero, capable of great exploration, ready to face any future trials and overcome them. You might even find that you are even more eager to take on the next adventure. You see, knowing what you have to do to be a good researcher is a lot like having a magic key that opens doors to all kinds of wonder and exploration. Not only will you apply these skills when you begin Native American research this month, and I've heard you guys are just a little excited about that, and yes, you will use these skills throughout your school years and throughout your college years. It is even very likely that the job or career that you one day choose will require you to do research. This is pretty high-level adventuring that I'm asking you to do. But the most exciting door that this research key will open is the door to even greater curiosity. You can be even more curious. You will wonder more. You will question more because you will be confident in your ability to find answers. Oh, but I promised you some tools, didn't I? I don't have a helmet to make you invisible or winged shoes to help you fly, but I do have some tools that should be just right for this journey. I am gifting you with this Padlet designed by me, your mentor, in order to give you the best chance of achieving your goal. I have provided you with videos, interactive sites, posters, and reference sources, all for you to explore with just a touch of your iPad screen. But it is up to you to use the Padlet wisely. Keep these tips in mind. Explore at least 4 resources. You are, of course, welcome to explore more. Remember that your quest is to answer the question, what do good researchers do? Gather as much knowledge as you can. Then use a text box to share at least 3 answers with your fellow adventurers. Try not to repeat ideas that have already been shared by others. Off you go!